new windows in. You've got a fixed panel and a slider. We're now taking all the china off around the back end because all of this area has got to be with new Raspado everywhere. And then we're going to be raising this floor as well, so we can make a new terrace for them. But yeah, we've got the tower up and we're getting there nicely now. I'm just going to make some templates for up here on this stair area. Metal man's got to come back, do a few things here. And so we had all the floor tiled last week, which I was showing you. So we've got the marbles down now. Where the doors are here was always going to be a challenge because we were concerned about the bottom of the door when we had to rip the floor up and the levels. I had the same here because obviously we've got quite a bit of a fall to go into this corner. But yeah, the frame's in now, doors up, sorted, beads are on. Decor blocks we're finished now. Yep, skirtings are on, so now we put the Raspado to the skirting. You can see down here. Yeah, not a bad day the other day we had. This is the Raspado finished on this wall. So as you can see, the skirting's then, where it finishes, it comes flush, so any water just runs down past the skirting and not behind it. Yeah, happy at the moment where we're at with this one. Got to take that aircon off yet and pull it back. Yeah, pleased. Okay, we've got the main structures coming along quite nicely now. Ceilings are all plastered, ready for lights. These were the boxes that I showed you earlier, coming down here and then running downstairs for a double switch. The windows both in. Got to finish the plastering around now from this bottom because we've done all the top part and then taken the scaffolding away and we can get access to this now. I'm going to start plastering this up, getting this ready. I've had the metal men round. That's what the fixing areas are for the rail that they're making to go round. Floor's been welded in and I'm ready now to give this some wood. Let's try and make something of it and then we'll have the handrail made once the plastering's been finished here, because obviously it'll be a slightly different size, so we've got to wait for that to finish. But yeah, we're getting there slowly. Yeah, happy, 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 happy.